Hi everyone, it's 10 on the 10th time and I'm running behind. So anyway, I this month wanted to do something a little bit different and easier for me. Excuse me. So I went digging through my older stash, excuse me again, and I found I have several kits. And I found this one, Holiday Cheer by Tracy Smith from Photoplay. I don't know. Let's see. Does it say what year? I don't see a year on it. Anyway, I've had it at least 2 or 3 or 4 years. And I like that it has cut aparts. And my plan is to use these cut aparts for the cards. And it also has a sticker sheet. And it has stickers. Well, not really stickers, but alphabets and stuff, and some sentiment stickers. These are stickers here, and some pretty papers, and they're double-sided papers. You can kind of see what they all are here. So this is on the back of the berries, actually. I don't know why they didn't put them in order, but anyway, that's my plan. So I will come back and show you the finished simple cards. Ooh, I might do something with those too. I just was liking these sheets here, and there's 2 of them. I don't know if I'll use both. We only need 10 cards, and I think I'll just use one, unless I feel like I don't like one and want one from the other one. This one here is adorable. So that's my plan. I'll be back soon. Okay everyone, I'm about as done with these as I'm gonna get for right now. There are a few that I didn't like the stickers for the sentiments, or the cut aparts didn't have sentiments, and I wasn't feeling it. So there's, especially the last 3 are kind of incomplete, but I'll show them to you anyway. So let's just go. This one was a cut apart, and this was the paper, and I did put a spray just like what's on the sled on the inside. I think most all the card bases are either Stampin' Up's thick white or very vanilla. I think there's 1 or possibly 2, I think only 1, that's on crumb cake card base. And I did use some real red cardstock by Stampin' Up and crumb cake cardstock on the one. So that's the first one. These are Stampin' Up's. Okay, I'm not going to tell you this every time, but these are Stampin' Up's Real Red Rhinestone, red rhinestone basic jewels. Some of them I used iridescent pearl basic jewels, and several of them I used these red and green adhesive back pearls, but I used the gold on some, the silver on 1, and the red on 1, I think. So they're the gems that I used. Put one in the center of the bow and just on there. These are the iridescent pearls, and I put Holiday Cheer. This was a scrap left over from this piece, and this stripe is on the back of something. I used a glue that I tried to put it in for, but I need to get the glue eraser, of course. It was, I'm trying to use it up now. It's okay, but even if you put it in a 1/4 inch, I was using my bone folder to make sure things were down, and it squished the glue out. So you have to be really careful with that glue. Anyway, I put little ones on either of these tabby things because there were little holes there, and then just 3 of the larger ones in with the nutcracker, and just a tiny little nutcracker on the inside of that one. This one's on Very Vanilla. This is one of the papers. This was a cut apart. This was a sticker, which was longer than this, but I cut it down, and I just put a piece of Very Vanilla strip offsetting a little bit, and I did bump that sentiment up. And then these are those pearls in gold. I just felt like with the kind of gold there. Yeah, I don't think, oh, I did do something on the inside of that one. Those are stickers. This one, Peace, Love, and Joy, I just used very simply the silver pearls, and I don't think, oh, I have a strip of the this on the inside for that one. This one I think is my favorite because I love the deer. And I just put one gold gem right in the middle of the bow there. I did use real red behind this paper, and I thought this was the same as this spray. That's why I used that background paper. And I could have used white, but I used Very Vanilla because I felt like this was more Very Vanilla, but the paper actually is white. I don't have anything on the inside of that yet. I couldn't decide what to do. This one, chestnuts roasting on an open fire. This opens this way. It's on the thick white with real red and the red pearls. And I don't know what to do on the inside of that yet. This one, this was one of the cut aparts, the back of it, and I didn't care for that cut apart. So I just layered them. And then I felt like, oh, I should have put this one up here and that one down there. Excuse me. Because the banner was hanging from nowhere, so I put some gold Simply Elegant trim, which is a Stampin' Up! Current item, and the gold pearls out of that one pack, and it just says Merry and Bright, and I think the inside is blank on that one. Yep. This one I turned this way because this one, there's 3 of them that are turned this way. It's the most wonderful time of the year. This was one of the papers, I think. I'm pretty sure. It might have been the back of Cut Apart. And a piece of real red just to break up some of that pattern. And then I used a retired real red ribbon from Stampin' Up! And the red gems. And I think that's blank on the inside. Yes, it is. And this one just says Noel. This was a cut apart. Again, put it on real red. Put one of the stickers on. That's like an ornament. I just felt like it needed something up here to offset the Noel here. This was a scrap of another paper. I don't remember which one. And, well, you can see the kind of the pattern there. It's okay. But I wanted to use it, and it's a little bit longer than this. And then these are the iridescent pearls, and I think this one's blank so far. I haven't decided what to do on a lot of these. This is the only one on crumb cake. I wanted to use the soldiers, and I hadn't used them yet, I don't think. Oh, I did. I used this, but I didn't like the soldier paper behind the soldier. So I wanted to use the soldier paper, and there was this sticker, which sort of was a crumb cake color, but I felt like it was too much crumb cake. I stuck it onto crumb cake, and then I backed it with real red, but I didn't back the backing. I just didn't feel like it needed it, but there's red in the soldiers, and I just used 3 of the red pearls. And inside is a strip of the paper on that one with a piece of basic white from Stampin' Up! Okay, these 3 don't have sentiments yet at all. This was a sticker, and this paper here was actually the back of a cut apart piece. I put it on Very Vanilla, even though this could be Very Vanilla or white, but there's more like Very Vanilla. And originally I took out the center of the wreath too. I put it back in because I didn't like the way the plaid was showing through it. And I'm going to stamp like a Season's Greetings or something down here, but the Season's Greetings sticker was too big. I would have had to have it this way, and I didn't want it that way because I wanted it like it was on a door. I just put a pine cone for now inside. I may change that and stamp something. Same with Santa. I did put Ho Ho Ho, which was a cut apart inside, but I want to have like a Be Jolly. They have a Be Jolly, but it's like a darker, it didn't match. So I just put it on real red on basic white. And I haven't decided. I'm going to look for a sentiment to like maybe put here, and maybe some, that's why I didn't put any gems or anything on yet either. I haven't decided what I'm doing with that. And then same with this one. I I really didn't know. I wanted to put like a sentiment here, but I didn't like any of the ones that on the stickers. And this red ribbon is Stampin' Up! In its current, I believe. I just put a snowflake sticker inside, but that might come out too. I don't know. So I haven't decided. I feel like I need something like blinging this up a little bit and then having a strip sentiment. So I need to look for that. So those are my cards. So there's 3 really no sentiment on, and then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 cards. Eeks, I did an odd number. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Let me know your thoughts, but they were pretty quick and easy since I'm running late. And yeah, I like the sled one too. I don't know. I like, amazingly, and the deer and the sled I think might be my favorite. I don't know. I actually like that one too, even though it's pretty plain. I like most of them. That one is even that one's okay. This one, I feel like it needs something too. I don't know. Let me know what you think. I'm not used to doing them this way. I'm used to stamping and coloring and stuff, you know, but I didn't feel like stamping, quite honestly. So there you have it. All right, guys, please go check out MetalScrappinChick, who is the host of this wonderful collab, and all the other participants, which I'll have linked down below. And we'll see you again next month on the 10th. Bye for now.